All right, hello everybody. We are going to be doing a fraction division problem today. This division problem and strategies I've learned from the Rational Number Project, which comes from the University of Minnesota. So all credit goes to them. If you want to use this in your curriculum, all their resources are online and for free. It's beautiful. They have homework, lessons for all fraction operations and all decimal operations, and they're taught in a really cool way. So, I've heard a lot about how people talk about new math and they bring home problems from their kids that they don't know how to solve. And so today we're just going to go through one type of those problems that you might see coming home in your kids' homework. And it's really not that intimidating. It's actually a really cool way to teach it and learn it, in my opinion. So, this problem says you are having a dinner party. You have 3 fish to serve. So if I was teaching my students this problem, I would then say, to start, I want you to draw those 3 fish. And usually we draw them as circles like this. And just to be funny, sometimes I'll add on this so that they can kind of tell those are fish. Each serving is 2/3 of a fish. So we'll circle 2/3 and I'll tell them how many parts do you need to break up each fish into if each serving is 2/3 of a fish. And they'll break up their fish into thirds. How many servings can you make? So, we have 3 fish to serve. Each serving is 2/3 of a fish, and we want to know how many servings can you make. So usually I'll just start with a name. Like I have a student that's name is Mohammed. I'll say Mohammed came to this party and he wants to be served. How many pieces should I shade in to show how much Mohammed eats? And we'll, as a class, shade 1, 2. Because he gets 2/3 of a fish. Mohammed was served a full serving. Oops, I can't spell servings apparently. Okay. Then 2 came to the party. And I'll say, do we have enough to serve 2 also? Let's see, we have 1/3, 2/3. Each serving is 2/3. So yes, 2 gets 1 serving. Then we'll continue on with this style. Anita comes. Yes, we have enough to give Anita a full serving. And then, let's say Diego comes. We also have enough to give Diego a full serving. And then I'll say, now Miss K comes to the party. That's me. Do we have enough for me? And usually they'll say, no, we don't. We only have 1/3 remaining. So I'll say, what fraction of a serving is my piece? And I want you to just think about that for a second. What fraction is my piece of a serving? When I asked my parents this question, just like what I thought the first time I answered this question, is I thought this piece was 1/3. And it is 1/3 of a fish, but a serving is 2/3. So I have one piece out of the 2 I need to have a full serving. So I have 1/2 of a serving. So to write this all out as a number sentence, again, we started with 3 fish. So I would say our number sentence, we started with 3 fish. We're dividing those fish into servings, where each serving is 2/3 of a fish. So we're dividing 3 by 2/3. Then we're going to count how many servings we got. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1/2. 3 divided by 2/3 is 4 1/2. I know this way is very conceptual, but I think it better helps our students understand what the problem is actually asking.